Welcome. Do you know you can earn money or gift card by using your Galaxy Watch 4 fitness apps in your phone and then walking? You can do it in just a few steps. Step 0. I'm sure you have done it, but if not, connect your watch with your phone through the Samsung Health app. Step 1. Go ahead to the Play Store and install MapMyWalk, Evidation fitness app, and Dick's Sporting Goods app. Step 2. Go to Evidation app, tap the bottom middle tab and connect your MapMyWalk and Samsung Health. Step 3. Go to Dick's Sporting app, tap the bottom Move tab and connect Tracker. Choose UA Connected Fitness to connect your MapMyWalk app. Step 4. Start walking. The trick here is you can just start the MapMyWalk regardless whether you are running, walking, or sitting on a chair. After a few hours, click Stop the workout. With that, you earn 3 points in Dick's app and a few dozen points in Evidation. And of course, your Samsung Health steps will add points to the Evidation app as well. 300 points in Dick's are worth $10 gift card. 10,000 points in Evidation are worth $10 in real money. You can roughly earn $50 in a year's time. A good return on your investment of Galaxy Watch 4, isn't it?